ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Sannyas means internal sannyasa. That is the mukhya artha. Internal sannyasa means to let go of all other desires, intentions, self-afflicted problems, vikshepas, everything. This is real meaning of sannyas. Sannyas means how I stay away from those things which are not agreeing with my goal. So just as I do this externally, I have to do this internally. For that, first I have to be very clear what is my goal. If I am confused about my dhyaya, my prayojana, then all my decisions also will be wrong. Then you can't correct decisions if dhyaya, your prayojanam, is not spashtam. Prayojanam, you should remember, what is the prayojanam? What is the Vishaya? Prayojanam is Atyantika Dukkha Nivritti Paramanda Prapti. Vishaya is Jiva Brahmaikya. So Prayojanam should be clear. Yet for that I am pursuing everything. So for that, anything is not going to give me Dukkha Nivritti, anything that is not going to give me Paramanda Prapti, neither I get engaged externally, nor I should get engaged internally. And actually all external actions are prompted by internal decisions. So internally, if I have corrected, that is more important. Then externally, anyway, I will not do. Okay. Shukla Yajurvediya, Kanva Shakya, Brihadaranyaka 297. We are going to continue from 11th mantra, Sambandhokti, Tika. Brahma Kandikam, Itham Vyakhyaya. ब्रह्मवा इदम इत्यादि वाक्यस्य अतीतेन संबंधम वक्तुम वृत्तं कीर्तयति. If you see Anand Giriji's same kind of lines will be there in many places. Sambandham vaktum vrittam kirtayati or vrittam kirtayati to will be there in many places. Brahma Kandika is what? Brahmava idam agra asit tadatmanam evavet aham brahmasmi iti tasmat tatsarvam abhavat. This whole thing is Brahma Kandika. Brahma Kandikam. So mantra in Brihadaranyaka is called Kandika. I might have mentioned earlier because it has come again, so I am telling you. When I was in Uttarkashi, so that is where first time I heard Kandika, Kandika. Swamiji used to say, Brahma Kandikam Itham Vyakhyaya. Swamiji means in Kailash, it's part Brihadaranyaka was going on at that time. At that time, Swamiji was saying. व्याख्याय ब्रह्मवा इदम इत्यादि वाक्यस्य अतीतेन संबंधम वक्तुम. ब्रह्मवा इति वाक्य इत्यादि वाक्यस्य अतीतेन संबंधम. अतीत मीन्स this Brahma Kandika is 1-4-10, so 1-4-9 that sambandha he and earlier 1-4-7, 1-4-8, 1-4-9. Vrittam kirtayati. Vrittam means what is already said. Again he is mentioning. भाष्य सूत्रितः शास्त्रार्थः आत्मेत्योपासीत इति. सूत्रितः, सूत्रित is there in Ayaneyiniya, not there. Sutritaha, how this shabda will be formed?
I think itach pratyaya.
Itach pratyaya. But there should be a sutra to do itach pratyaya. We'll let you know. Sutrita means Sankshepana Uktaha, Shastrarthaha, Atmetyopasita. So 147, from there he is doing recap. That is explained. Shastrartha, what is a Shastrartha? Atma iti eva upasita. This is the Shastrartha. Sutra rupena kathita. Sutrita means Sutra rupena kathita. Tasya cha. Tika. Shastrartha shabdo Brahma Vidya Vishaya. Shastrartha means Brahma Vidya Vishaya. What is Brahma Vidya Vishaya? Atmetyopasita. Tad ahu ityadina uktam anuvadati. Tad ahu iti. Tad ahu, this was there in 149. Tad ahur yad brahma vidya sarvam bhavishyanto manushyaha manyante. Kimu tad brahma aved yasmat tad sarvam abhavad. This is that one. 149. So I think it's good if you write down. Nanu kaha sambandho brahma vidyayaha kincha phalam tasyaha iti ashankya ityadi. So in that question in 149, what was asked indirectly is this. What is the sambandha of Brahma Vidya? What is the phalam of Brahma Vidya? In Bhashya, tasya cha vyachikhyaasitasya sarthavadena tad ahur yad Brahma Vidya ityadina sambandha prayojane abhihite. तस्य च व्याचिख्यासितस्य सार्थवादेन अर्थवादेन सह सार्थवादः तेन सार्थवादेन तद आहूर is that sentence 149 तद आहूर यद ब्रह्म विद्यया इत्यादिना. By that Sambandha and Prayojana, two things were said. Sambandhasya Prayojanancha iti Sambandha Prayojane Abhihite. So in the Tippani, 7 number Tippani, Nanu Kaha Sambandha? 1. Brahma Vidyayaha Kaha Sambandha? And Kincha Phalam, Phalam means Prayojanam. That's why Sambandha Prayojane Abhihite. Tika. How? So what is the Sambandha Prayojana? He explains now. Arthavadas tad yo devanam ityadi. Yo devanam pratyabudhyata tatha manushya tatha rishinam tatha manushyanam. That is how the mantra is. So that portion says that is Arthavada. Means anybody who will know, they will get it. See Tippani, Eka Jiva Vade Adya Eka Jiva Vade Adya अवधि मोक्ष अभ्युपगम असंभवम आश्रित्य आह. In Eka Jivavada, Yo yo devanam pratyabuddhyate, all this will be Arthavada. Is it clear? I will explain this. In Ekajivavada, how many jivas are there? Only one. If that jiva attains, for that jiva, there is no other jiva. So among devatas, whoever, among manushyas, among rishi, there is no other devata, manushya, rishi. That one jiva is that eka jiva. So there is no other devata, rishi, etc. So then such vakya will become arthavada vakya for eka jiva vada. Or that Rishi Vamadeva attained realization. Who Rishi Vamadeva is other than this eka jiva? You see, that is Arthavada. Shukadeva Arthavada, like that. So in Siddhanta Bindu, Madhusudan Saraswati ji has given this. That's how Tippanikar has put this. He has written in the Mukhya Grantha itself that if somebody has asked a question, what about realization of Vamadeva, Shukadeva? It is Arthavada. I have covered this in my talk on this topic. Now you see, there was Tikakar mentioned this, that this vakya is Arthavada vakya. Tippanikar brought Ekajivavada. Otherwise, you could have just skipped this and said, oh, Arthavada, chalo. But why it is Arthavada? This is the reason. संबंधो ज्ञानस्य सर्वापत्ति फलेन साध्य साधनत्वम अधिकारिणा आश्रय आश्रयित्वम ऐक्येन विषय विषयित्वम इति विभागः. How many sambandhas are given? Three sambandhas are given. First sambandha is sadhya sadhana sambandha. Second is ashraya ashrayi sambandha. Third is vishaya vishayi sambandha. Sadhya sadhana. What is the sadhya and what is sadhana? Jnanasya sarvapatti phalena. That is how the vakya is. Jnanam is sadhya or sadhanam? Sadhanam.
Sadhanam.
And sarvapatti means sarvapatti means what?
Sarvatma bhava.
Sarvatma bhava. Not sarvapatti. All problems Brahma will get. All problems now. No. Sarvatma bhava is sarvapatti. That is the sadhya. So sadhya sadhana sambandha is given between jnanam and sarvapatti. Okay. Adhikarina ashraya ashrayitvam. Adhikarina. So how will you do anvaya? Because sarvapatti phalena is tritiya. Adhikarina is tritiya. Aikyena is tritiya. So whatever is in tritiya, its sambandha has to be connected with jnanasya. Jnanasya sarvapatti phalena sadhya sadhanatvam. Jnanasya adhikarina ashraya ashrayitvam. Jnanasya aikyena vishaya vishayitvam. Everybody is clear?
Yes, Swamiji.
You put that down there so that later when you read on your own. So between jnanam and adhikari, ashraya ashrayi. Who is the ashraya? Adhikari. Adhikari means pramata. Pramata will be ashraya. Jnana will be ashrayi, ashrit. And jiva brahma aikya. Jnana and aikya. So jnana is vishayi. Jnanasya vishaya is aikya. iti vibhaga. So in this way, three sambandhas are given. Avidya sutre vrittam kathayati. Now what was said in Avidya sutra, that also he says. Avidyayascha samsara adhikar कारणत्वम उक्तम अथ योन्यां देवताम उपास्ते इत्यादिना. अविद्यायाश्च संसार अधिकार कारणत्वम उक्तम. अविद्यायाः संसार अधिकार कारण, संसारस्य अधिकारस्य च कारणत्वम. अविद्या is the कारण for samsara. Avidya is also karana for adhikar, means you become adhikari to do swarga prapti or moksha prapti, either. Because jivatva is there. Jivam kalpayate purvam. First jivatva is there, then you have two marga. Vidya marga or karma marga in this way. Sansara adhikara karanatvam uktam. Or only sansarasya adhikara, that way also you can take. That is the second one only in this way. Atha yonyam, actually jnanam also, jnana adhyanam also happens within avidya. You accept Triputi, you become jnata, there is some jnanam, there is some jnaya, shastra, acharya, all this duality is there. So you begin jnanam also in Dvaitam. You begin all karmas also in Dvaitam. In Naishkarmya Siddhi, first chapter, this will be clarified. Both of them start in avidya only. But karma begins in Dvaitam, ends in Dvaitam. Jnanam begins in Dvaitam, but ends in Advaitam. This is the Bheda. Atha yonyam devatam upaste ityadina. Tika. संसारस्य अधिकारः, सी संसार अधिकार, संसारस्य अधिकारः प्रवृत्तिः उत्पत्तिरिति यावत्. संसारस्य अधिकारः means प्रवृत्ति उत्पत्तिः. All प्रवृत्ति etc. will happen. यथा यथा पशुः इत्यादिना उक्तम अनुभाषते. He is like a पशु. तत्र अविद्वान ऋणी पशुवत् देवादि कर्म कर्तव्यतया परतंत्र इति उक्तम. There avidwan is a ऋणी and he is पशुवत् देवादि कर्म कर्तव्यतया paratantraha. He is a paratantra like pashu. Devadi karma. So Devadi will become the Sampradana. Karma is for Devata in this way. Paratantra iti uktam. Tika. Avidya adhikara saptamyartha. Tatra is given. Tatra is saptami. Saptami is there. Where is saptami? Tatra vidwan. That is saptami. Means avidya adhikare. तत्र अविद्या कार्यं प्रपंचयितुम अध्याय शेष प्रवृत्तिरिति मन्वानो अविद्या विवर्त चातुर्वर्ण्य सृष्टि प्रकटनार्थम तदेतद् ब्रह्म इति अस्मात् प्राक्तनं वाक्यम इति आकांक्षा पूर्वकम आह. अविद्या कार्य in that prapancha vishtara, this will go on until adhyaya shesha pravritti riti manvano. Avidya vivarta chaturvarnya srishti prakaranartham. Vivarta 12 number tippani parinama ityartha. This srishti, chaturvarnya srishti is paramarthika or avidyaka?
आदित्य
Avidyaka means it is avidya parinama. Avidya parinama or avidya vivarta.
Avidya Parinam.
Why avidya parinama? Why not vivarta? Because Tikakara has given avidya vivarta. It is Brahma vivarta. It is vivarta of Brahma. Avidya parinama. So somebody will say, see, this Chaturvarnya Srishti is avidya parinama, means avidyaka. Therefore, don't pay too much attention on Chaturvarnya or Chaturashrama Vyavastha. Because it is avidyaka, what is the use of following that? And this Pancha Mahabhuta Akashadi Srishti is avidyaka or paramarthika?
Avidyaka.
So if we don't follow avidyaka varnashrama vyavastha, then we should not follow that this world is there. Because it is also avidyaka. And this deha, the very, which is so dear, that is also avidyaka only. This is not paramarthika. So when they say Chaturvarnya Vyavastha is avidyaka, so one should not think that only that much is avidyaka. Avidyaka means whole Brahmanda is avidyaka. Brahma Loka is also, and any other Loka, Vishesha Lokas, everything is avidyaka. According to Vedanta. Srishti Prakatanartham. The whole Srishti is avidyaka. Tadetad Brahma iti asmat praktanam. So this Tadetad Brahma, 30 number Tippani says, this will be there in 1415. This is 15th mantra on page 306. Tadetad Brahma iti asmat praktanam vakyam. Akanksha purvakam aha. किम पुनर् देवादि कर्म कर्तव्यत्वे निमित्तं वर्णाः आश्रमाश्च. To do devata karma, the nimitta will be varna ashrama. Somebody will ask when you do sankalpa puja that which varna, then accordingly you will be eligible to do some karma. Which ashrama? You say, those who say, I don't have yajnapavit, but I want to do yaga. So what will they say? They say, first you have to get the yajnapavit. Then only we will start. Otherwise you cannot sit in yaga. Varna ashramascha. And he says, I had it, but I don't know where it is now. There will be some such, it was hanging along with my clothes. Then, or Gangaji, many times people go to Gangaji and Janevu just goes away. They don't know how to keep it. So, Nimittam is Varna Ashrama, Varna Ashramascha. Tatra ke Varna iti idam arabhyate. So, what are these Varnas? So, Acharya says, next mantra will talk about all that. Tika. Brahmava idam ityadi vakyam idama paramrishyate. In the previous, in the Bhashya it is given ke varna iti ata idama arabhyate. In Tika, vakyam idama paramrishyate. Idama is, what is the pratipadika? Idam. And what is the vibhakti? So idam shabda, if you do tritiya, what should come? If you do Pullinga, idam shabda. Napunsankalinga. How will it decline? Idam pratipadika. So you see, if you take tat shabda, right? Tat shabda, ayam imau ime is pullinga. Iyam ime imaha. Idam how idam will be?
Ayam imau ime imam imau iman anena abhyam yebhi.
Idam
This
ime imani.
anena. Ime
Idam is
idam
a Shabda Swarupa.
idam ime imani. So
Hmm.
here, what is the sutra?
Shabda Swamrupam Shabdasya Shabda Sangya.
This is the sutra.
So,
Song rupam shabdasya ashabda sanya. So this idam is not taken as another shabda, means idam is taken as a shabda by itself. Swam rupam. So it will get ashabda sanya. 1168 is a sutra. This we have seen earlier also. In other granthas you will find this. Panchadashikar. Idamau te visheshasyu in Panchadashi Dashama Nataka Deepa Prakarana it is there. Varnan eva vishinashti. Yan nimitta sambandeshu karma swayam paratantra eva adhikrataha sansarati. Iti etasya eva arthasya pradarsanaya agni sarga anantaram indradi sargo na uktaha. Yan nimitta sambandeshu karma swayam paratantra eva adhikrataha samsarati. So karma itself is paratantra. Sambandeshu karmasu ayam means adhikritaha. Ayam adhikritaha paratantra, whoever is the adhikari. Sansarati iti etasyeva arthasya pradarsanaya. Agni sarga, this portion came earlier between 141 to 146. This discussion came. But after that, Agni Utpatti, Indra Utpatti was not said. Agni Sarga Anantaram, Indradi Sargo na Uktaha. Why? See in Tika. Yair nimittair brahmanyadibihi sambaddeshu karmasu ayam avidwan adhikrataha pashuriva samsarati iti pashu nidarshana shrutau prasiddham tani nimittani darshayitum uttaram vakyam pravrutam ityarthaha. Those nimitta, yair nimittair brahmanyadibihi sambaddeshu karmasu avidwan adhikrata. Brahmana will have brahmanya karma. He is adhikrata there. Pashuriva samsarati. His sansaranam is like Pashu. That is a drishtanta. Pashu nidarshana shrutau prasiddha. Tani nimittani darshayitum. So those nimittas are said now in the later. What will be the nimitta? Devata utpatti. See what is the prakaranam going to come. Agni Utpatti is first. That is discussed. Now you have to have Devatas. Then he will, this Samsari Adhikrita, he will start doing offerings, oblations, etc., etc. So you have to have Devatas Utpatti, then Devatas mantras. Some portion is already said, but some will come again, some will be repeated. All the Praja Utpatti was said. Manu and Shatarupa. Shatarupa became this, Manu became that same. All those drishtantas were given. Tika further. Atha iti abhyamanthat iti atra anugrahaka devata sargam prakramya. This abhyamanthanam came earlier, right? I thought we covered it, right?
Yes.
Yes. I will tell you where. This is in 1.4. Six. Atha iti abhyamanthat samukhacha yoner hastabhyam. So it came that there, because abhyamanthanam happened in the mouth and in the yoni, and therefore in mouth there are no hair, and in the palm there are no hair, etc. This has come. So what happens is in Brihadaranyaka, what is already covered and what is yet to come, if you don't look at it again, you will, Vidya Sutra, I hope you will not forget, because I have emphasized enough. And so has Bhashyakara. Abhyamanthat iti atra anugrahaka devata sargam prakramya. Anugrahaka devata, all the indriyas, devatas, prakramya. Agnehe eva srishti rukta, agner eva srishti rukta, na indradinam. Indradi srishti is not said. Agni srishti is said. Atra tu avidyam prastutya tesham sa uchyate. Tesham kesham indradinam sa srishtihi uchyate. Purvam na ukta. So now creation will begin from Indra. Indra is Kshatriya. Agni is Brahmana. Brahmana Kshatriya, the Varna connection you have to see in this way. This is where I had mentioned earlier, probably in Krishna Yajurveda, in Purusha Suktam, Brahmanosya mukham asid, Bahu Rajanya kritaha, Uru tadasya adve. So there, Bahu Rajanya in this way to say. Then Chandrama manaso jataha, Chaksho Suryo ajayata, Mukhad Indrashagnischa. In Shukla Yajurveda, Mukhad only Agni, not Indra. Brahmana Kshatriya not together in one place. So Shukla Yajurveda Purush Sukta part is different. Krishna Yajurveda Purush Sukta part will be different. If you see, you will know. So Agni Sarga is done. Indra Sarga now, from this mantra onwards. Purvam Agni Sarga Anantaram Indradi Sargo Vachyo api na uktaha. It should be said, but it is not said. Phalabhavat, because there was no phalam at that time. Now, in Avidya Sutra, it is appropriate to tell all those things. Iha tu avidushas tat karya varnadhi abhimaninaha karmadhikritihi iti etasya arthasya pradarshanartham tad avidyatva vivakshaya sa vyutpadyata ityarthaha. Iha tu avidushas tat karya varnadi abhimaninaha. Here avidushaha tat karya varnadi abhimaninaha. Person who is ajnani and varnadi are karya of avidya. Avidya, the karya which is varna ashrama, it's abhimaninaha karmadhikritihi, For that person, there is karma adhikara. Iti etasya arthasya pradarshanaartham. So the one who has varnashrama abhimana. So somebody said, I don't have varnashrama abhimana. Should I do karma? So do you have deha abhimana? Yes. So you better do more karmas if you don't have varnashrama abhimana. Because first you have to see, if I don't have varna ashrama abhimana, but I have deha abhimana, what is problem? According to Shastra, I am explaining, okay? What Shastra is saying is, all karmas are open for you. You will do any karma. If you have some abhimana of varna, only that varna karmas are available to you, means you are eligible only for that. So you will reduce the scope of karma. Within that, if you say, I belong to this ashrama, again you will reduce the scope of karma to further. So, having certain abhimana actually will work in favor of you. It will prevent you from doing unnecessary karmas and in certain cases, nishiddha karmas. So, you will protect yourself. Like they used to say, to give example, simple example, if you are in a Tirtha Kshetra, so in Tirtha Kshetra, one should not do papa. Means this is also abhimana. I am Tirtha Kshetra Nivasi. It will protect you in this way. Or today is Ekadashi. Or I am fasting for Ekadashi. Means this abhimana will protect you. What? You will not do eat that, you will not do this, etc. So this abhimana, it will work in favor of you. If somebody says, I am Kailash Mahatma, I have to wake up early and go for Aarti. So this abhimana is good for you. If you don't have this abhimana, I am anybody, why should I wake up early? So this abhimana will work in favor. This is anywhere. Somebody who was not Pita now becomes Pita. So he will have abhimana, I am Pita now. So I am Pita means I have more responsibilities. I am answerable to some people. So that Pitrutva Abhimana is helping you. Like that, any Abhimana. I am Shishya, I am Chhatra. This is also Abhimana, but it will help you. So like that, Varnadi Abhimana, sometimes people take it in the negative way. In this context, what is said is this Abhimana will help you. वर्णादि अभिमानिनः कर्माधिकृतिः इति एतस्य अर्थस्य प्रदर्शनार्थं तद आविद्यत्व विवक्षया सव्युत्पाद्यत इत्यर्थः. इंद्रादि सर्ग इज आल्सो आविद्यक. इंद्रादि सर्गस्य अविद्या कार्यत्व विवक्षया. एवरीथिंग इज अविद्या कार्य ओनली, बट यू हैव टू परफॉर्म. सव्युत्पाद्यते मीन्स इट इज एलैबोरेटेड. अग्निसर्गो अपि तर्हि तद्वद अत्रैव वाच्यो विशेषाभावात् इति आशंक्याः. Then somebody says Agni-sarga also you should have mentioned here only. Why you covered it earlier? Agnestu sargaha prajapatehe srishti paripurnaya pradarshitaha. That was the part of conclusion of the Prajapati Srishti. Prajapatehe srishti purtaye ched agni srishtis tatra ukta hanta indradi sargopi tatraiva vachyaha anyatha tad apurtehe. Now somebody says if in Agni Srishti was there for Prajapati Srishti Purti, Indra Srishti also you should have said there, because otherwise it is incomplete. Apurta there. Iti ashankyaha. Ashakar is so patient. Some other acharya like us, we would have said, you get out. Ayancha Indradi Sargas Tatraiva Drashtavyas Tatsheshatvat. Okay, Indradi Sarga, you should see there only. It is the Shesha. Ihatu sa eva abhidiyate avidushaha karma adhikara hetu pradarshana. Just to show, here it is given so that it is connected with avidya grantha. टीका तर्हि तत्र उक्तस्य कस्माद् अत्र उक्तिः पुनरुक्तेः इति आशंक्य तस्यैव अर्थस्य इति अत्र उक्तं स्मारयति. What is said there, it is mentioned. What should have been said there, it is mentioned here for connecting with the कर्माधिकार हेतु प्रदर्शनम्. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.